Stop here and give me your 5 minutes. If you have hair breaking, hair shedding, hair problem, you have dandruff in your hair, your edges is not growing, or you do everything, your hair is still stubborn with very strong hair, you don't know how you can do to make it very soft to be easier for you to manage, this recipe is for you. These two kitchen staples are the secret of unstoppable hair growing. Today, my people, I'm showing you the recipe that is cooking and straining and is packed with vitamins and minerals. And also my secret oil, infusing oil, also is going to part of it. This thing is going to help you to get stronger, shiny and long hair, and most important, to protect your hair from dandruff. So now the next I do is I put 3 tablespoons of rice into my bowl, and I have 1 hand of potato showing to you people. So first, let's take a wash with our ingredients, because before you use this ingredient, make sure that you wash it, and stay tuned and watch to the end, because this is not only going to be only potato and rice, because we still have to add more ingredients. And also I will definitely going to apply it to my daughter for you guys to see if you also make yours, the step that you need to take. So you need to see to the end, stick to the end and see the result also, because I will definitely going to show it to you guys after finish doing this treatment to my daughter. So after peel my potato and wash it, I start to cut it and add it into my rice. The rice is I'm already washed it and pour inside. So now I cook it like 10 minutes. The next thing, I'm going to strain it because I need this water to use it as a leave-in spray. Please come back and watch that video, because that video also is going to pack with a lot of minerals and strengthening and protection. So I use that potato and rice water. I'm going to use it as a leave-in spray. So come back and watch that video. Let's continue the work, my people. Now after everything, I blended my potato and rice. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I have to strain it, because this thing, after all that, is very smooth like this. Definitely when you get a smoother paste, you have to strain it again, because you never know, maybe rice particles or potato particles can remain inside and it stick into your hair and get something else, give you a blow up. So we don't want it that way. So now I started straining my potato and rice. So after straining it, guys, our next ingredient that I'm going to add is going to be yogurt. Okay, so that's why I told you guys this part is very important. The ingredients that I'm going to add into it is very important. That's why I told you guys you need to stay tuned. And also you will see my daughter hair, how my daughter hair is looking, and after finish doing it, you will see the difference from my daughter hair. So I put 1 tablespoon of yogurt inside and I start to mix it again. This part also is very important. Immediately when you put your yogurt, try to mix it, especially if your treatment is still hot. Okay, you need to mix it very quickly. So after I mix my yogurt into my other ingredients, so the next thing now, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of honey. It's very important, because honey also, it will help you to manage your hair very well. Guys, stay tuned, because while I'm applying to my daughter, I will definitely going to tell you guys the benefit of those ingredients and why that is important for you to use it for your hair. So now after everything, after my honey, the next thing, I'm adding my vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil, you can use the capsule one, or you also can use the oil one, like the one I use. Okay, which the one that you have by your hand, you can use it, because this part is very important. Vitamin E oil is very important. Now I'm adding my avocado and pineapple seed oil. This oil, I infuse this oil by myself. If you are wondering how to infuse your avocado seed and pineapple leaf oil, please check my channel. You'll see the video over there to watch and learn how you can do to infuse the oil by yourself. So after I add my infusing oil, the next ingredient I'm adding is my lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil, I choose lavender essential oil because lavender essential oil, it will make your scalp to get calm, especially when it's calm to the children. For me to use it, I have peppermint essential oil, but peppermint essential oil, I can only use it if it is going to be me, but for my daughter I prefer lavender. So now you can see how smooth and clean creaming paste that I have now here. So this thing, you guys will see how this thing is going to swallow my daughter hair, is going to swallow it, is going to absorb it inside. You can see how my daughter hair is looking. So now I know I'm so happy. You can see what I told you guys, that spray that I told you people is that one. I'm already prepared to use it. I'm going to use for my daughter started using. Now she also getting used to it. You know, what I'm doing, she's trying to help me. She'll be spraying the thing, and that's the important part, because before you make this treatment to your hair, please my people, listen very carefully. You need to wash your hair thoroughly. Make sure that your hair is very clean. After your hair is clean, and if it is dry, then make sure to make your hair a damp before apply this hair mask. Don't apply it while your hair is dry. So my people, why I started spraying in the leaving in spray to my daughter hair to hydrate the hair before apply. Let's come back to take a look of the benefit of those ingredients. Potato is rich in vitamin C and B and iron, which help strengthen hair follicles and also promoting healthy hair growing while you are using potato into your hair. My queens, let's get and see rice benefit. Rice also contains an amino acid and inositol, which help to repair damaging hair and improving hair elasticity. So it's very, very good. Imagine, look at the creaming paste that I have in my hand. So guys, you can see how my daughter hair is looking after hydrating. So it's time for me to apply the thing. So let's continue to check the benefit. Let's look at the honey. Honey also is having natural humectant that locking in moisture and adding a beautiful shine to your hair and making your hair to to be manageable, especially if you have stubborn hair or your children have stubborn hair. This hair mask, it will help you a lot. This is the natural relaxer cream. This is the natural relaxer cream you can use to relax your hair, to make your hair get soft, to be easier for you to manage your children hair and manage your hair too. So my people, after that, I added vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also is powerful. It's having antioxidant that's supporting healthy scalp and also reducing stress from you or from your scalp. So it's very, very good. It's also repairing damaging hair. If your hair, you have a damaged hair and you are using you are using vitamin E, is going to help you a lot. And also, mind you people, I added my infusing oil. I added my avocado and pineapple leaf or infusing oil. So those oil also is packed with beginning with nutrients. It's rich. Why avocado? Avocado is sealing oil and proving deep fatty acid for what? For your hair. So, and also it's packed with moisturizer. It's moisturizing your hair naturally, which is very, very good. While lavender essential oil also calms your scalp. That's why I choose that one, because my daughter's scalp needs to be very clean and calm, not to be very harsh or hard for her. Queens, I was almost about to forget about the benefit about yogurt. Yogurt also is having lactic acid, and lactic acid, it means it will help to cleanser your scalp and improve protein for your hair strands, which is very, very good. So guys, these things I choose it because if you are going to apply this natural cream to your children hair, please, you have to make sure that you choose the cream that and the ingredients that it will not harm the child's scalp. For the adult, no problem, but for children, you need to choose it very well. So if you have child like my daughter age, and you are looking for something to do, come here and we join together. Will you love to try it? Please let me know in the comment section. Have you ever tried potato and rice hair mask in your hair before? Have you ever tried this natural relaxing cream? Have you ever tried it on your hair before? Let me know in the comment section. If you tried, let me know. If you don't try it, will you love to try it, or will you love to apply it, to do it for your children? If you love to try it, say yes, I will try it. And after trying it, please come back and comment, okay? Come back for us to know how your first days applying, your feelings about this hair mask, because no matter what you do, you are going to enjoy it. But the only thing that I always say, I always thank my daughter anytime when I finish like this. I show her love and care, because this child hair, actually, I don't know how I'm going to say, she's so patient. Imagine I started doing this thing when she was like 2 years. Now she's still 1 year ago. I started doing this thing. This child is always patient for me to be doing. I really appreciate my daughter, guys. You guys should help me to thank my daughter for giving me that patience, for keeping quiet without giving me stress, without crying, without, So anytime, even when I do something and she doesn't want me to do it again, I don't want to force her, because I'm doing a lot for her hair, and she just be patient for me to be doing everything. If like some children, everybody, all our neighbors, they will hear from her voice crying or yelling on me, something like that. But this girl, she always sit down. She know what she wants. If she wants something, that one I'm trying to give her so that she can just be quiet. Sometimes she can have been watching her TV, and I know sometimes TV also, if I on the volume can give me copyright. So sometimes when I finish like this, I have to make voice over again, because like, if not, my video is going to get copyright, which is not good for me. And I cannot allow her also, talking without owning something for her to be watching, to keeping her busy, and I'm also doing my work. So now, guys, look at how her hair is looking, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pack it this way, and I will allow it get, sit small, 15 to 20 minutes. A children's scalp, is very delicate, so always try to, when you use it for your child, especially my daughter ages 3 years children, like, just leave it like 15 to 20 minutes. Go and wash the child hair, okay? Don't let her sit over too much. Too much of everything is bad. So 15 to 20 minutes is okay. The work, that the benefit that is going to do, the hair is already absorb everything. It's okay. It's going to work for you. But if you don't have, if you are the adult and you make it for yourself, for you there, you can even sit up to 1 hour, no problem. Yeah, you can sit 1 hour or 30 minutes or 40 minutes if you have time. If you have time, you can sit like 1 hour. If you don't have time, like 30 minutes time, you also can go and wash your hair, and it's going to be perfect. That time even is the perfect time. Perfect time. That extra time, that because of if you are busy, and that will make you keep it up to 1 hour. If not, 30 minutes time, you the adult also, you can go and wash it. So now I'm going to allow her get down, and we are doing my work. Later you guys will see what happened.
Princess Samuel, please let me see your bag. Let me see your bag. Yeah. Guys, you can see my princess hair.
Mama,
yes. Please. Please. You don't want. You don't want. Are you sure? Turn your back and I see. Give me 360. Let me see your back. The one we just come now. Let me see your back, okay? Please. Let's see. Hey, that shouldn't. Princess, please. As you can see.
My people, I just allow you guys to hear her voice. She's telling me please. When she's saying like this, it's killing me. So what I'm going to do, I will just going to hold it 4 parts and leave it for tomorrow, so that tomorrow I can moisturize it. Now I finish washing. You can see how her hair is bush hair, right? Yes. So I will moisturize her hair tomorrow. I will pack it, because when you open your hair or you wash it, don't leave it like that. Don't leave it this way. The only thing, you can just divide it into 4 pieces and leave it maybe tomorrow or when you get time, so that you can come and moisturize it. I have my oil, leave-in in condition, everything, but the only thing, she said no, please, I shouldn't do it. So I have to respect her and allow her, leave her for tomorrow that we are going to moisturize her hair. Thank you very much for watching. See what I did for her now. So it's okay. It's safe for her for tomorrow. I love you all. Bye bye. Please subscribe.